Microsoft has completed its $68.7 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard, marking the largest deal in the gaming industry. This acquisition grants Microsoft ownership of major franchises like Call of Duty, Warcraft, and Diablo, along with a significant presence in mobile gaming through King, the creator of Candy Crush. Various development studios, including Infinity Ward, Raven Software, and others, are also joining Xbox Game Studios. Microsoft vows to prioritize inclusion, accessibility, and bringing gaming to more platforms. The deal faced regulatory hurdles, but agreements, such as keeping Call of Duty on PlayStation, were made to address competition concerns. Microsoft still holds to the claim they will make their games accessible on many platforms, despite community concerns.